You want to try some lemon?
Wait.
Got it, Steve?
Mmm.
Yummy. It's yellow.
It's not working.
Photos.
Can you get it? Wait, Ryan, your hand's in the way.
Almost had it.
It's like no reaction.
Wait.
You know we're playing a joke on you.
You're just going to say joke's on you. I can handle it.
I don't believe it.
He's squirting it out.
You're not my son.
You like it, Mike? I mean, Nolan?
I can't believe he likes it.
It's because he has a nut in.